Hi folks, it's Ed from Mr. C's Automart. This is a beautiful pearl white 2018 Chevrolet Impala Premier, top of the line. So you see it has chrome mirrors, surround window trim, chrome trim door handles, lower door trim, chrome accents on the grille and rear bumper, the 3.6 liter engine, 305 horsepower. This is a really loaded car, beautiful, top of the line. It's optioned out with these 20-inch multi-spoke aluminum wheels, supplemental turn signals, panoramic sunroof, superior condition, 124,000 miles. And we're going to have this car for $12,998. As we pan around the car further, you see it has front and rear park sensors, blind spot and cross path detection. Again, tremendous condition, fully serviced, certified Carfax. Push button start. It's got this beautiful cappuccino, that's an option. Cappuccino leather with the gold seam etching. Panoramic sunroof. Power seats on both sides. Heated seats, cooled seats, memory seats, navigation, rear backup camera. And it even has Apple and Android CarPlay. You can call me directly at 708-473-2014 or visit the website, MrC'sAutomart.com. That's the Bose stereo. It's got a power tilt and telescopic steering column. Here's your navigation. Here's your rear backup camera. And here's your Apple CarPlay. So your phone apps go on the car so you can call directly from your phone apps, and you even use your car navigation. Once it connects there we go. Thanks.